right, we are walking to the cruise ship. Hey, welcome to Hubbards Journey, and we're doing our walk today. We're killing two birds with one stone. We're walking from the hotel to the cruise port, and we are in Fort Lauderdale, and we stayed at the Renaissance, and it's only like a 4 to 7 minute walk, and here we go. It's a great great port to come out of for Princess. We're getting on the Sapphire Princess. Let me show you what we're looking at. Yeah, we got off the ship yesterday, the Emerald Princess, and we had all kinds of drinks we were carrying and stuff like that. I mean, we had a heavy load. And now we lightened the load last night. And right here. I was here last night. She wants us to go down further. I was here last night because we left a bag, a computer bag in our room. And I came back here trying to see if I can get it. And it was awful. I couldn't get it. They said, oh, we can't see it. We don't know where it is. We didn't see anything in the room. I said, what about the new passenger? The new passenger grab it? Oh no, we asked them. Okie dokie. Chalk it up as a loss. We had papers in there. Andrea thinks she might have had a bill in there, like an old bill, currency, but we don't know for sure. So, all right, we're still walking. Yep, we're getting over to the parking lot. We're one of the last people coming on. We stayed in the hotel as long as we could because of the internet. Well, we're getting our steps in, killing two birds with one stone. Holy cow, look at this. He's got to do a what, a 3-point turn? I can't believe that. You see him pull that off? Wow. Ay, chihuahua. That was good. Woo! Woo! Did you see that? That was unbelievable. Man, he's a talented driver. All right. Welcome. Oh, we're going right through security. All right, we made it through security. We got a blue lane and a green lane. We're taking the blue lane. Blue lane means we don't have our medallion. Green lane means you already had your medallion mailed to you ahead of time. So this is check-in. Number 7. Number 11. Number 12, 17, number 11, and with beautiful glasses. Hi. I love those glasses. Welcome. All right, I'm gonna give you my passports. Go. Go.
Hello, everyone out there.
Yeah, you get that right. I'll tell you, the Princess check-in is an amazing process.
Lots of good people.
Nice and easy. Great people.
Massachusetts. Hubbard, Michael?
You got it.
Yeah. All right. And accompanied by Andrea Hubbard. That's correct. All right, fantastic.
I like how she said that, Andrea.
Yes.
So she's going through the check-in process. She's going to looking at our passports, verifying it's us. Then she's going to plug us into the computer, and then she's going to grab our medallions, and we're going to be off on our way.
Hello, sir. Welcome. What was your name?
My first time.
Andrea.
Tell me they're black. Are they black?
They're silver.
They're silver. Yeah, we knew that.
They're supposed to be black.
black.
We'll get it changed on the ship. That's Michael. That's you.
Yep.
And that's me.
Excellent.
Very nice.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. We're boarding. All right. What makes this voyage special for us is that we're gonna go to Argentina, but we're gonna go to Brazil as well, and we're going to our final continent, continent number 7. We've been to 6 other continents. We're going to Antarctica, so we're gonna try to do something special on this one. Yep. Thank you. Thank you so much. The green room experience. And there's the gangway. We're just gonna get right on that gangway. We're gonna drop our bags off. We're gonna go do our muster. But I appreciate you coming along on our walk and the experience of checking in. There we go. That's a nice steep gangway, huh? Let's look over here. There's so much going on out there. You know, they gotta load all kinds of food, beverages. It's a monumental task, it really is. A lot of logistic stuff going on. And here we go. Getting on the ship.
Stopping in Brazil, but also we have a very talented team of singers and dancers, and of course this is a Sailaway celebration, so please let's make some noise and welcome to the stage the singers and dancers of the Sapphire Princess. Nice round of applause for our singers and dancers.